Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and thank you for being here. In this week's video, we'll be unboxing our new wood stove for our hot tent. I also wanted to open up this video for questions regarding winter camping, as we're now approaching our third winter using this tent and stove. If that's something that you're interested in, or if you have any questions at all about winter camping or using a wood stove in a tent, just leave them down below on this video and I will create a future video answering all those questions. Those were all the accessories that we ordered with the stove, and now this is the stove itself.
Lichen. That's some moss included.
Tray to help the fire not sit on the bottom, it protects it.
Little lips on the inside.
After we put the stove together, we completed the initial burn. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your winter camping questions below, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for next week's video, where we'll be taking out the stove for the first time. We'll see you then.